Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Urban Traveler backpack from OnePlus. I just picked this thing up and I just loaded it up with some of my gear, and I'm going to show you guys what I am traveling with. I do have about a 12-hour road trip coming up in the next couple weeks here, so I'm going to be taking this with me, and I'm going to have my essentials in here like my gaming laptop, my Steam Deck, my phone, chargers, accessories, that kind of stuff, anything that I want to be able to use on the road and when we get to where we're going. So again, this is the OnePlus Urban Traveler backpack. It's about $79 on the OnePlus website. This is the white and black one. I like the accenting of the red over just the all black backpack. So this is the one I picked up. Very nice material here. I'm pretty sure it is somewhat water resistant, so if you're out in a little bit of a drizzle, you don't have to worry about your stuff getting soaking wet. But obviously I wouldn't leave it out in the rain with all your tech gear in it. I will say that I've had a previous version of the OnePlus backpacks, and I actually use that for when I go off-roading and side-by-side riding. And that thing gets muddy, dirty, everything. And it's been holding up just fine. But I did pick a new one up for this trip for my tech, because after off-roading with my other one, I don't want to put my tech back in it, in the dirt and all that kind of stuff. So I did pick this one back up. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I have in it and how I have it organized. Now that being said, this is just how I have it set up for this trip. Not all this stuff would go in here all the time, but so here is the main compartment right here. This back here is my portable monitor. It's a 15-inch, I believe it's a 15.6 inch portable, just HDMI and USB-C monitor that folds out on a little kind of like tablet style stand that I use with my Steam Deck. And then down here we have my charger for my gaming laptop right there, and the reason that's in the main compartment, not one of the little side pouches or the front pocket, is just because it's so large. And when I am traveling, I'll have that wrapped up, but I just threw it in here for the video because I'm using it, so that is why it's just all like that. Steam Deck is in the case and it fits in there perfectly. Back of my Steam Deck case, I have the little keyboard, the Bluetooth keyboard I have for it. So that just slides right down in there very, very well, right in front of the tablet. Or the monitor. You could also put your tablet there if you wanted to. And then inside here there are two little water bottle like straps on the side, so you could slide like a water bottle in. It does not have any straps on the outside. But instead of doing that, I don't usually carry two water bottles or any at all. So what I've done is I put my Anker 737 battery bank that just went flying across the desk in there, so I can just put it like port side up like that. Just slide it in the strap, and then I can have access to it from inside the bag if I want to plug something in and throw it in here to charge, or if I just want to hang the cable out the side of the bag, it can be charging my devices on the go right there. Right here in these two little front pockets, let me go ahead and just turn it around here. There's a little pen slot right here, so if you want to throw like an ink pen in there or something, you can. And there's these two little pockets right here. I just have my OnePlus 11 sitting in this one. And I just carry that around. I'm going to probably carry that around with me on the trip in case I want to switch phones or use it for like photos, something like that, because the Fold 4, as we know, doesn't have a flagship camera. It's kind of a little bit behind on cameras. So if I want to take photos of something, I'll have the OnePlus 11 right there. This pocket right here, I just keep my Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 and my Samsung T7 SSD, which is mainly just used for transferring like game mods and game files between computers, and my Steam Deck and stuff like that. So I just keep that in there and I can have access to that for my laptop. This pocket right here, I just keep the cable for the monitor, for the portable monitor right there. I will throw some other chargers and stuff like that in there as well for like my phone and that kind of stuff when we're traveling. But again, I am using that stuff, so it's not in the bag right now. And you may be wondering, where is the laptop? Well, this bag, the laptop section is actually on the outside. So it's right behind the back part right here in between this. It's very well padded and will hold up to a 16-inch laptop. So right there is my 14, I think it's a 14.3, 14.6, something like that. Asus ROG G14. and it just slides right in there. Nice and padded from the back section here, and then obviously the front, so you have very good padding for your laptop. And then the last pocket, actually there's two more. There is a little pocket right here, kind of a hidden zipper compartment right there that you can throw like your ID or passport or something in if you're out, you know, walking around, traveling, stuff like that. But I don't have anything in there right now. And then this front pocket right here also goes all the way down to the bottom. And it also actually goes all the way up to the logo section right here. So you do have some pretty good storage in there if you want to throw some items in there. I might throw some like chargers or something in there as well. But I didn't want to shove the Asus charger all up in there. Just because it was harder to get to. So Steam Deck just goes back in like that. And then the laptop charger just sits right beside all that kind of stuff next to the battery bank. It doesn't really look that bad. But that is how I have my backpack. That is what I usually carry when I travel. Some different kind of stuff there. So there we go, the OnePlus Urban Traveler Backpack. I'm Colin with Techout, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.